Okay.
One face near top left edge.
I am widening out the door frame. For me, using a reciprocating saw and staying on a line, someone else could use a pencil and cut it. But I screwed a board down. The board that's underneath is going to be my opening. This board here is just a guide for my blade. Now,
Near top edge.
slide my reciprocating saw.
One face near top edge.
There's stuff in a second. Okay, so I'm through that stuff. There's a drywall here. Pull it. So what I want to do is I want to get my blade
One face near top edge.
in there far enough. So now I've got it. It actually works out that I can actually bump into that board. And my blade will barely touch that flooring up there. So I'll pull it back a little tiny bit. Right there, because I think that's the max where my blade is. Okay. So I'm going to run along this piece of 2x4 here and I'll cut the plate on the
One face near top edge.
a little bit out of whack there. Protect my fingers. Hold it tight against that and let it work its way in. Okay. Just want to get started.
One face near top left edge.
Okay, we're going through. Now I can support it.
Near top edge.
Just going down there where I want it to. That way a little more.
One face near top edge.
Okay, we're going through there now. That looks good. Continue.
One face near top edge.
What is this?
One face near top edge. One face near top edge.
That's done the wrong block broke. get through or darn close. Feels like it here. There it goes. Just what I gotta do to. I can't see a line. So I gotta make jigs to follow. So it might be a tiny bit wider, which is okay. That part is fine, but to protect, because of my me putting this in here after the fact, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doubling up the boards that hold my header up. So usually when something is really heavy, like it'd be a second story, which there's not really, it's kind of a partial second story up here, or something like that. That's when you double up, or a longer span, then you double up your boards that support your header, which I'll remember the name after. But because I've widened the hole open, and I'm not going to be able to nail it up like original, I'm going to double up the header here.
One face near top edge. Near top left edge. One face near top edge. Near top left edge.
Back in that in a minute. Mess. Always a mess. Check this out here. Do the same thing over here. So I'm also raising this threshold a bit. So you'll have to step it an inch to come in, but we noticed that when the door and dirt and stuff, this will keep the dirt and stuff and snow. Because when the door we get a little tiny bit of snow, I'm in the wrong spot. Just a touch wider. That's okay.
One face near top left edge.
So yeah, this is what my door is going to sit on this plate, and then my flooring will just go right. My door will slide just right over top of the flooring that's here. Don't have to mess with the flooring. The edge will look great nice. So we're gonna have three boards on this side, and on the other side we've already got one because of the stud there already, right there. So we're gonna have one. Then we're gonna have 2 boards here, 1, 2, and that's going to hold the header. And on this side,
One face near bottom right edge.
way far back, we're going to be putting another stud in here, and then we're going to have 2 boards. If we have the space,
Near right edge.
gotta check that. We just might have we just might end up having 2 header boards because I'm not sure where that stud is back over there. Yeah, the stud is right there. It's not that far away. So yeah, we're probably just gonna end up with 2 header boards. Just cut that block for what we need and just put it all header up there.
One face near top left edge.
Screw everything that side over there.
Near top edge.
Well, let's check it out. Oh,
Near top right edge.
when I'm ready to put it all in.
Centered.
Thanks.
Near right edge. Stop recording video.